Well, viewers, the Delhi verdict will be out in less than 24 hours. The EVM machines will reveal the party's fates, and the majority of the exit polls have given BJP a clear mandate. Now, these are the numbers that have come in from the exit polls. Let's take a look at the exit polls for the 2025 Delhi Assembly elections that indicate a potential comeback for the BJP after a long absence, potentially ending the Aam Aadmi Party governance. Several agencies have released their exit poll projections. Access My India has predicted a significant victory for the BJP, a very comfortable victory for the BJP, projecting 45 to 55 seats for the party, while CNX has also made a forecast, and that has given even higher range of 49 to 61 seats for the BJP. So let's take a look at what these projections are and what this could mean potentially for Delhi. Remember, these are just the exit polls. The real numbers, of course, will be out tomorrow. So the seat share that has been projected by Access My India is 45 to 55 for the BJP. This means that the 27-year wait for the BJP may come to an end tomorrow if these projections turn out to be true. But this also means, remember, quite a big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party, that it will be reduced to 15 to 25 seats. That's a projection that has been made. But look at the vote percentage, and it has a story here as well. The vote percentage for the BJP is at 48%, which is an increase from the previous vote share that the BJP has received. But for the Aam Aadmi Party as well, there is a difference, but it's not a huge margin away from the BJP, 42%. Remember, in the previous elections, in the 2020 Assembly elections, the Aam Aadmi Party had breached the 50% mark, reaching about 53% or more vote percentage in the national capital. And look at the Congress Party's fate as projected. According to Access My India, the Congress Party may win 1 seat, or it may be back to winning 0 seats, just as it did in 2015 and 2020. And these are the projections that have come in. After the projections, of course, the politics over it also continues. We are breaking updates now coming in. After the surveys have given an edge to the BJP, we're seeing breaking updates coming in. Arvind Kejriwal has hurled the Farzi attack. So he's gone on to say that these are Farzi numbers, and he has claimed that these are surveys that have been put out to create defections, saying that these surveys are intended to peddle a fake narrative to cause some nervousness within the Aam Aadmi Party. And this is the tweet that he has put out as well. He goes on to say that these are Farzi numbers, the claim that Arvind Kejriwal has made. And he has also, remember, made a very big charge, as he goes on to say that the Aam Aadmi Party candidates have been approached by the BJP. Look at this, where he goes on to say, agar inki party ke 55 se zyada seatein hain, as is being projected. We showed you some of the projections that have come in that give the BJP an edge up to 45 to 55 seats. So the claim that Arvind Kejriwal has made is that if these projections are right, if the BJP is indeed getting over 55 seats, why would they approach our leaders? He says, तो हमारे उम्मीदवारों को फोन करने की क्या जरूरत है? So he is claiming that calls are being made to several Aam Aadmi Party candidates. The BJP leaders are reaching out to them, asking them to switch over. And the charge that he has made is that several crores are being offered to them. Look at that. He says each of them are being made an offer of 15 crores. 15 crore dene ka wada. This is the claim that Arvind Kejriwal has made. Let's go across to my colleague Pradeep Datta, who's joining us on the broadcast. Pradeep, it's a big charge by Arvind Kejriwal. He says that the exit polls have been giving a projection for the BJP to win only so that there is a narrative and a fear that is intended towards the Aam Aadmi Party camp. And his claim, his big charge, in fact, is that 16 of the candidates of the Aam Aadmi Party have been approached by the BJP.
Pratibha, elections are over, just a few hours left for the opening of the EVM, and that will decide what way the political pendulum will swing. But there seems to be no end to bitter war of words between both BJP and Aam Aadmi Party, and this time a very serious charges leveled by Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal. He's saying that how the BJP is indulging in poaching. They are trying to lure many of their candidates, and they have decided to give them, calling them and saying that they will be giving them 15 crore rupees if they join BJP. But all these charges have been dismissed by the BJP, saying these are nothing baseless charges, because Arvind Kejriwal Kejriwal has realized one thing, that the political ground is slipping under their feet. And that's one of the reasons now they're resorting to these baseless allegations and charging. They are saying that so far they don't know who is going to win from their Kejriwal side. And the second thing is that Kejriwal has decided to have a meeting with the party candidates. All the 70 candidates will be present in that meeting. Basically, Kejriwal somewhere is trying to keep the flock together. Even before election, we saw that some of them joined BJP. He thinks that maybe if the BJP will win more seats, there is possibility of the party breaking and crumbling. And that's one of the reasons that he's trying to keep the party and flock together. So there will be a meeting that will be chaired by Kejriwal. And during that meeting, all the 70 candidates will be present. But so far as the BJP is concerned, BJP is saying that Kejriwal is completely rattled. He knows that they have lost elections because already the predictions by the exit poll is already there. That clearly indicates that the drought of 27 years that had been there is finally going to end. And BJP this time is going to form government, and the dominance of Aam Aadmi Party that had been continuing for the last 1 decade is finally going to come to an end. So these charges and counter charges are continuing. And this time Kejriwal is leveling very serious allegations, saying that the 15 crore the BJP is offering to each and every candidate, asking them to join their party. But BJP has denied these allegations as baseless and nothing but figment of imagination by Kejriwal, because he knows that they stand no chance of winning this election, because people are completely disillusioned with the fake promises and the lies that the Kejriwal has made over the period of time, because they had promised to convert Delhi into London, but nothing of that sort has happened. So the people have
So the exit polls, Pradeep, have predicted Apda for Arvind Kejriwal and for the Aam Aadmi Party. Is that going to be true or not? We're going to go know tomorrow. But Arvind Kejriwal saying that the exit polls are intended towards ensuring that Aam Aadmi Party leaders switch over to the BJP. In fact, it's not just Kejriwal's post on social media X. Even the Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh alleged that 7 of the party's MLAs had received calls to join the BJP and were even offered 15 crore rupees for the same. The BJP, though, says that this shows the impact of the exit polls on the Aam Aadmi Party, which has already accepted defeat. The BJP claimed that the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have lost their mental balance. Listen into the war of words.
7 विधायकों से अब तक संपर्क किया गया है। उन्होंने हमको फोन करके बताया कि 15-15 करोड़ का ऑफर बीजेपी की तरफ से दिया जा रहा है। ऑपरेशन लोटस हार की हताशा में बीजेपी ने अभी से शुरू कर दिया है।
आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता संजय सिंह एक बार फिर अपना मानसिक संतुलन खो बैठे हैं। राजनीतिक नौटंकीबाजी इससे अधिक गिर नहीं सकती, जब संजय सिंह भाजपा पर यह आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि भाजपा ने उनके विधायकों को पैसे दे करके या पैसे देने का प्रलोभन दिया है। अब क्योंकि दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी का सुपड़ा साफ हो रहा है, ये साफ तौर पर दिखाता है कि संजय सिंह में और आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं में कितनी हताशा और निराशा है।
Now, the Aam Aadmi Party has rejected the exit poll results. The Aam Aadmi Party leader, Sushil Gupta, has stated that the exit polls have historically always underestimated the Aam Aadmi Party's performance in the Delhi elections and expressed confidence in a favourable outcome tomorrow.
हम सीधा सरकार में आते हैं, सर्वे में नहीं आते। 8 तारीख को आप देखेंगे आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी। केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल से लेके राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्रियों तक और आधे से ज्यादा विधायक और आधे से ज्यादा सांसद दिल्ली में डेरा डाले रहे, परंतु केजरीवाल दोबारा आ रहे हैं।
One of the another wild allegations coming from Team Kejriwal. And this is a party that is imploding. Perhaps they are seeing the writing on the wall. Already ex-MLAs left their party, joined the BJP. At that time they were quiet. Now that they know that the results are going to be against them, they are not going to sweep Delhi. Suddenly they are making these wild allegations, and Mr. Kejriwal and his colleagues make the most wild allegations and make the most outlandish statements and have no basis of it. Look at it. Delhi ki pani mein zahar milaya ja raha hai. I mean, is that a statement that you would expect from someone who has been a former chief minister?
इसका क्या मतलब है? अभी तो यही नहीं पता कौन विधायक रहेगा कि नहीं। परसों काउंटिंग है, आज रात को कोई विधायक शिफ्ट भी कर जाता तो क्या शिफ्ट करेगा वो? डब्बे सबके सील हो गए हैं। जो हम लोग विधायक बनेंगे नहीं बनेंगे वो हमको 8 तारीख को पता चलेगा। तो कोई पार्टी किसी को क्या पैसे ऑफर करेगी मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। हाँ, ये कह सकते हैं कि हमारे लोग जीत रहे हैं, उन्हें ये करना चाहते हैं, चलो मैं फिर भी बात मानूं। कौन जीतेगा क्या नहीं जीतेगा, ये इतनी घबराहट क्यों है आम आदमी पार्टी में, मुझे नहीं इस बात को समझ में आ रहा।
In fact, we have more